How do credit repair companies work? Phoenix AZ. Credit repair companies are organizations that help individuals improve their credit scores by disputing errors or inaccuracies on their credit reports. Credit repair companies work by reviewing a person's credit report, identifying any errors or negative items, and then taking steps to correct those errors and improve the person's overall credit standing. The first step in working with a credit repair company is typically to obtain a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This report will show you your credit history and help you identify any errors or negative items that are hurting your credit score. Once you have your credit report, you'll work with your credit repair company to identify areas for improvement. This might include items such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, or inaccurate information on your credit report. Your credit repair company will then dispute these negative items with the credit bureaus and work to get them removed or corrected. One of the key benefits of working with a credit repair company is that they have experience and knowledge of the credit reporting process. They understand how credit reporting works and how to navigate the system to achieve the best possible results. They also have experience in dealing with the credit bureaus, which can be a confusing and time-consuming process for those unfamiliar with the process. In many cases, credit repair companies will also help you improve your overall credit standing by providing advice on budgeting and credit management. They may also help you establish new credit lines or find other ways to improve your credit score. This can be especially beneficial for those who are looking to buy a home, refinance their mortgage, or take out a loan for a major purchase. When choosing a credit repair company, it's important to do your research and choose a company that has a good reputation and a proven track record of success. There are many different credit repair companies available, so it's important to take the time to compare their services, fees, and results to find the best option for you. It's also important to be aware that there is no guarantee that a credit repair company will be able to improve your credit score. While many people have had success with credit repair companies, it's important to understand that credit repair is not an instant solution and that it can take time to see results. In conclusion, credit repair companies can be an effective solution for people looking to improve their credit score. By working with a company that has experience and knowledge of the credit reporting process, you can take the first step towards improving your financial standing and securing your future. However, it's important to be aware that there are no guarantees in the credit repair process and that it can take time to see results.